Hi everyone, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today I am going to complete the topic the important articles of Constitution of India. Till now I have completed 60 important articles of Indian Constitution and I am continuing with the article 263. Article and related subject. Article 263 Establishment of State Council. Establishment of State Council comes under the Article 263. Next one, 265. Taxes not to be imposed without the authority of law. Article 265 states that taxes should not be imposed without the authority of law. Article 280, Finance Commission. Article 280 deals with the Finance Commission. Article 300A, this is an amended article. Right to property. Before, right to property was a fundamental right, but now it is a legal right and it comes under Article 300A. Next is Article 311, Protection of Civil Servants. So, protection of civil servants comes under the Article 311. Next one is Article 312, All India Services. So, IAS comes under Article 312, that is All India Services. Article 315, Public Service Commissions for a union and for the states. So, Public Service Commission for the union means UPSC and for the state PSC. Union Public Service Commission and State Public Service Commission comes under Article 315. 316, Appointment of Chairman and members of UPSC and State PSC. Article 316 deals with the appointment of chairman and members of UPSC and State PSC. Next one is Article 320, Functions of Public Service Commissions. Functions of Public Service Commissions comes under Article 320. Next one is Article 323A. This is also an amended article. According to Article 323A, Administrative Tribunal Scheme. So, the Administrative Tribunals comes under Article 323A. Administrative Tribunal means the authority which renders the judicial decision. And this Administrative Tribunal comes under Article 323A. Next one is Article 324, Election Commission. Election Commission comes under Article 324. Next one, Article 326, Universal Adult Franchise. So, Article 326 deals with Universal Adult Franchise. Universal Adult Franchise gives the right to vote all the adult citizens, regardless of wealth, income, gender, social status, race, ethnicity, etc. That means that is Universal Adult Franchise, and this Universal Adult Franchise comes under Article 326. Next one is Article 338, National Commission for Scheduled Caste. So, Article 338 deals with National Commission for Scheduled Caste. It is SC. Next one, 338A. This is also an amended article. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. Before, there was only one commission for both scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, but now there are separate commission for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So the article deals with National Commission for Scheduled Caste is 338 and the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes comes under Article 338A. Next one is Article 340. Appointment of a commission to investigate the conditions of backward classes. Article 340 deals with the appointment of a commission by the President to investigate the conditions of OBCs, that is, backward classes. Next one is Article 341, Notification of Scheduled Caste. Notification of Scheduled Caste comes under Article 341. Next, 342, Notification of Scheduled Tribes. Article 342 deals with Notification of Scheduled Tribes, that is ST. Next one is Article 350A. This is also an amended article. Primary education in mother tongue. So, primary education in mother tongue deals with the Article 350A. Article 350B, Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. In all the states, there will be some linguistic minorities. So, there is a special officer for that linguistic minorities. And the article deals with the linguistic minorities was 350B. 350B deals with the special officer for linguistic minorities. Next one is Article 352. 352 deals with national emergency. We have already studied there are three types of emergency: national emergency, state emergency and financial emergency. So, national emergency comes under Article 352. Next one is Article 355. It is duty of the Union to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. Here, external aggression means violent struggle between two countries with the use of armed force. That is external aggression. And according to Article 355, it states that it is a duty of the Union to protect states against external aggression and internal disturbance. If there is problem inside the country or in case of any war between two countries, it's the duty of the Union to protect the states. That comes under Article 355. Next one is Article 356, State Emergency. State emergency is otherwise known as President Rule. That comes under Article 356. Next one is Article 360, that is Financial Emergency. So, Article 360 deals with financial emergency. Financial emergency not yet reported in India. Next one is 368, Amendments to the Constitution. If we are doing some minor changes in the Constitution, that we will call amendments. So, the amendments to the Constitution comes under Article 368. Next one is 370, Special Status to Jammu and Kashmir. Special Status to Jammu and Kashmir was by the Article 370, but now it's removed recently. That's all about the important articles. Now let's see some questions from this topic. First one, article deals with All India services. Second one, Public Service Commission comes under which article? Third one, subject related to the article 352. Please comment the answers in the comment box. Next class, I will be discussing the topic Schedules of Constitution. Keep on watching my channel. Don't miss any video. Expect your support. If you understood the lesson, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.